Alright guys, we are back and I am Rocknmetalultima, here with my good friend Michael.
The Mikester.
Yeah, I got nothing to say about him.
The
Sorry guys.
Mikester.
Alright, we are here with episode 2 and we are continuing with Risk of Rain. This is our second try, as you should know from the first episode.
I'm putting it out there. I don't know why they call this Risk of Rain, because there is no rain in this game.
I think it has something to do with the ship, because the last level is called Risk of Rain.
But there's no rain.
I don't know. I didn't follow strictly on the lore.
Okay.
So
This game has lore?
everything has lore.
Did you just see that? Okay.
Yeah, I'm a bet. Dude, look at that.
Yeah, that's what I was pointing out.
In the air. Oh yeah. And he's just bouncing. Like Nicki Minaj on any dude.
Okay.
Oh, you suck as a sniper, bro. You see that?
Got the kill.
Okay, so go take out the big white guy. The
Racist.
parent.
That's area of effect too. It's pretty good.
Oh, I fell.
Okay, so this one's a lot better.
Yeah, we're doing a lot better. We're both level 6. Instead of me being level 9, you being level 5.
Yep. I think I got a rabbit's foot or something.
Maybe. Is it one of the new items? I don't know.
No, it's one of the old items.
I don't remember it making you that fast, though.
Yeah, I think the speed on it was increased. It's better.
Oh, maybe. Magma worm!
Fun fact, it's actually- everything. Stop it!
Oh, sweet, I got my increased attack speed. Okay, I'm going down. Shit. Ow.
Died?
Yeah, I just got swarmed when I was scratching my head.
Okay, I'm dead. That was gay.
Man, we really should not have cut the episode.
It's okay, we'll try again. Guys, we'll beat this game. If not on the
Never.
first time, the other time, something.
Yeah, this is our last attempt.
This was our only attempt. First try.
I love the bandit when I get increased attack speed and the boxing gloves. And golden gun.
I think the sniper moves faster than the bandit. Yeah.
Which is weird. You figure the bandit would move quicker than a sniper. Go get the chest.
Oh. Okay, that works for me.
Oh yeah, it's one of the new ones. It's like a little teleportation device.
Okay, I don't know why there's that.
Oh my god, there's a lot. Oh my god, it's like a shop. But we don't have the cash.
I want this thing right here.
The root?
Yep.
What does the scarf will stop you from being hit as much, so I think you should get the scarf.
No, it's a teleport. Yeah, you're right. Teleportation.
I got him.
Alright.
Well, I got the Colossus Gnarl.
Sniping looks like 5%.
I got these guys. You should get the mushroom. So when you stand still, you can heal yourself.
Okay.
So there's a crab over here.
I was gonna say, I could place my teleporter thing right there, and we could run through the map.
Not this place again!
Okay.
I hate this map so much.
Let's hope this is. Oh, it's not there.
Good thing mine stops time.
Hey, what do you mean by that?
My little item, it's a
Oh.
time stopper.
Okay.
We gotta go back up.
Oh my god. I can't believe that's actually there.
Same. Oh, we got a fiery one. No, just stand back over here. Or just blast his fucking head off.
Oops. Wow. Okay. Guess we gotta.
I'm just giving myself a brain tumor. Or, sorry, concussion. What am I saying, tumor?
If I didn't make that jump, I'd actually be a little sad.
Well, that was a gamble and a waste.
So I'm gonna go get this chest.
We don't even have enough.
Enemy spawn. Oh, you can pick that up.
Then stay away from it.
Yeah, no, I'm.
What's it do again?
Something about all your attacks explode. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Well, I know for DPS like you, it's a lot better on you than it is on me.
Oh yeah, you should get that one then. Yeah, it'd still work for you.
Yeah, I'm just thinking like, weighing the options.
You always steal my kill, man.
Okay. Okay, those guys like to.
Let's head up. Hurry before that thing gets you. Oh shit. Okay, so it's not up there. There it is.
Hey, where are you?
I'm down here.
Did you turn invisible?
Yeah. Dude, I shoot so fast now. I'm just not gonna move.
Being in here also gives us health regeneration.
Yep. Well, we got less than half a minute, so. And then when we get down there, I can throw on the, time stop, and we can deal some massive damage. Okay, I'm moving.
Just stop on. Okay.
Yeah. I'm getting back in here. Yeah, don't move because he's not moving.
Is he after me or you? He's after me. Okay.
So yeah, you just stay there.
Oh my god. You want to look around this map of chests before we proceed?
Well, we gotta kill this little thing here.
Pick up that item. Get this.
Nah, let's just get out of here, man.
We have a grand. I'll just
Oh,
go
sure.
I also have the teleport thing. Right
Yeah, so go to the teleporter. Okay. Oh, you clicked on it.
Yeah. You said go to the teleporter. It's okay.
Yeah, I meant that way we were on the same level.
Yay, a chest at the start, which is out of my budget.
Broke college student budget.
I have a helpful little robot that does nothing.
But tell you what someone's health is.
Yeah. I have no idea. Trying to climb down. You guys after me or you?
Me.
Why is everything after me?
Because you're a sniper. No one likes campers. Here, let's go take on these guys. Yeah!
More gold.
Here, let's go up. There was a couple enemies, we can kill them.
Okay, or I fall. What?
You want to go up for the big? Never mind. You want to go get the big expensive chest now?
Yes. It actually didn't matter who had to get there.
Yeah, we gotta get out of there.
Uh-oh.
No, you gotta leave from there, dude. That thing will kill you.
Okay. Are they after me or are they after you?
You. Those two are after me. That one's just confused about who he wants. Now they're all confused about who they want. No.
Can we just jump off the edge?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we should go on. Oh my god.
Just click the teleporter. Get it over with. Oh, it's not. No.
Uh-oh. Okay, that's not a ledge. Okay, this is stupid.
Well, we could just wait out the 90 seconds here in safety. Oh, I could stop time.
Okay, so... Okay, we should move. Sooner. Can enemies run through those walls?
Wait for my thing to fill up and then...
No. Let's keep going.
I can't get up there.
You proxy on top of it. A little higher. You climb up. Okay. Try getting up as high as you can.
Oh, there we go. Aren't I a dumbass?
Okay. Then we can take these guys home.
I don't have my time stopper. We're not going to be able to fight them.
Okay. Just give it a minute. Okay, now we can't fight them. You want to push to the top?
No. I give up.
What? Those things climb? No, okay, never mind.
You want to just go down?
I think we should wait until the time's gone.
Well, we got 66 enemies.
Okay.
You know what? I'm stopping time in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that is.
Stay there and I'll just start picking these guys off.
Yeah, no problem. I'm just gonna roll off.
Okay, we gotta head down now.
Okay. You can teleport,
Nah.
but I choose not to because it's in a horrible spot.
Okay, I'm gonna stop time in 3, 2, 1.
No, okay. Okay. That definitely hurts.
Okay. I'm gonna jump down because I can go invisible
Okay.
for a split second, and I'm gonna deal some damage. Never mind. I'm coming back up. Go up.
Do you want to climb to the top? Time our health comes back.
There!
Okay, we got this.
We good. We good. We're not handicapped. Yeah.
I made that on the first try.
Yeah, well, you know what? You could go F yourself.
I don't know how I just thought.
Go give Kyle a bro job.
Yeah, friend. The technical term for a bro job is when you get one of your best friends to give you a blow job. Hence the name a bro.
I call this one Frick off.
Now.
Ah, suck.
Oh, that works. That's what I thought.
Can you come down a bit? Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Do it. Excellent. Okay, we got this.
I am not pleased. I am infuriated beyond belief.
Don't mess it up. Okay.
How do I keep doing this? This
you'll
mastery of failing.
I should probably wait right here, so you know. No.
See, your confidence in me sure helped. It made me get past that jump. Whoa, we don't have enough for that.
Yes, we do.
I thought you were going for it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like to do backflips.
Yeah, prove it. Should we get this or should we save up and get that giant laser gun?
I say we just save up, because there's stuff up here. If you have a gun.
Don't rush me, man.
Yay. You took that. I get the next chest.
Okay. But I get the next pair of boobs.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hit the B button. That'll probably kill me.
And then I'm stranded by myself here.
Uh-oh. 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 No, Chris, why? What are
Okay, we can pick them off from here. Some of the big guys won't come over this far.
Okay, they're all there. You go.
Come a little bit closer so we can see what's going on over there.
Oh, it's a little too.
Oh, hey, here it is. Holy shit, that's a lot of them.
Come back. No!
I think I've already lost my turret too. Hey, we did it!
Wow, I move so much faster than there. We gotta check for the turtle. I don't know what's happening. I'm just hitting X. No.
Oh, I have my turret with me now. Okay, let's head down.
So I was playing this mission a while back and I had a triple jump.
Oh, really?
Yep.
You feel big and bad now, eh?
I thought it was pretty awesome.
Cool.
Oh, and the thing that made it OP was that the triple jump, I also had a...
Jetpack?
Yep. But like the good jetpack.
Oh, the one where it's like not just increased jump height, but actual jetpack.
Yeah.
What I would do for a soldier syringe in this game.
What I would do for good items.
Yeah. I.e. soldier syringe.
I think these are the easiest enemies in the game.
Well, we seem to be doing fairly okay right now, which is good. But I think we're about to go up a difficulty, or we just did.
Oh. You want to check if the miner spot is there?
We can in a little bit.
We can't hit the button prior.
Oh, you have to do it before you hit the button?
Yep.
Okay, well, we can find the button at least. Or the teleporter.
Oh, this way. Okay. Just keep heading down.
Yeah, here, just start sniping these guys. I'm not going to be able to make it over there.
Okay, I just hold on. Oh, yay, we have to kill this thing first.
Oh, you do?
No, it's just a pain in the ass. I think it's trampling on me. Look at all these bosses. Okay, there it is. The entrance is open. No! Keep jumping! No, Chris! No!
No! So yeah, that's where you go to get the miner.
You have to kill the red thing, then you unlock the miner. Like Chris just did. Because he didn't.
I have never had the opportunity to kill that red thing till now, and we died.
Yeah.
God damn it, man.
The scavenger spawned as we killed the pig after taking some damage.
Ugh. God.
Yeah.
If only it was still broken with the local co-op, or you can just keep continuing.
Yeah.
So yeah, the thing was, is if you don't know, if you died and then you tried again, it kept you at the same level.
No, it
with
kept
all
you-
your stuff. so you were fine. You could just keep playing and boosting yourself. Even the time was still up top, so the monsters would increase and everything. It was actually really fun. I'm sad they took that out. We are going to conclude it here. It's been Rocknmetalultima with Michael.
The Mikester.
I'm not calling you that.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, before we leave, I gotta do my good old review. Would I recommend this game for co-op play? Yeah, downright I would. For online co-op, you gotta know someone that does port forwarding. This game's $10 on Steam. I've logged over 30 hours. He's logged over 50. So yeah, I totally suggest getting this game. It's a lot of fun. It is a challenging roguelike. So yeah, playing local. Someone has a controller. You use a keyboard. Easy. It's for a keyboard. It's ZXCV for your abilities. Arrow keys to move. Space to jump. G to use your items, and A to buy stuff. It's very simple gameplay. Very challenging. Hard to master. Very good game. A lot of characters. A lot of items. So yeah, overall recommend for just a purchase in general, even if you're playing with friends or alone. Well, that concludes it. Goodbye.
Bye.